Hello everyone, welcome back to another FSD beta video. Today we are doing our multi-lane roundabout test. So version 12, I just released my first impressions video. It's going very well. I still need to get a little bit of a feel around its automatic speed limit set. The functionality is just a little bit out of whack, I feel like. Interesting over here, I'm not too sure if it's wanting to change lanes. It does cross the white lane over here. Whoa. It's a little bit out of whack. I'm not too sure. Might need to recalibrate my cameras or something. Okay, so it's coming up to this roundabout over here. Let's see how it does. Let's slow down. And a very smooth entry into the roundabout. Wow, look at that. I've never had it going so smoothly. I'm not doing anything over here. It's pretty good. Sticking to the lane over here. Oh, look at that. It's so smooth. Oh my. This is amazing. This is the dream. This is the dream for the last 2 years. Look at that slow deceleration over here. It's just smooth driving. It's a little bit slow here, but that's okay. And then I'm assuming it's gonna go fast here. I'm just thinking about how I would drive, and it's just doing it. Oh my god, that is insane. Okay, we're coming up to an intersection over here. There is some construction over here coming up in front of us, but we are going to take a left turn, and then we're doing 2 more roundabouts. We'll spin around, and we'll do 2 plus 1 plus maybe another 2. And then we'll end the video there. So there you go. Coming up to our left turn over here. And if you guys haven't done yet, please hit like to this video and please subscribe to my channel. Help me a lot. This is a complete stop over here. So we're gonna have to do the NHTSA 0 km/h or Transport Canada in this case, where we are in Canada. And there we go. A smooth turn. Oh wow, this is awesome. And a nice acceleration just to get you off. That's just insane. Living with version 11, you kind of get used to it, but the second you're on an improved way of driving, or someone's driving you in an improved way, you just notice it. Okay, so we're coming up to this intersection over here. I mean, to the roundabout. Ooh, doesn't give it an indicator here. Not good, FSD. But yeah, it chooses this lane because it wants to go straight ahead. There we go. I wish there's a little bit more traffic just to give it a little bit more challenge, basically. A nice acceleration going out. So we are coming up to our last one over here, and then we're going to have to loop around. It's going a little bit slow here. Slight braking here, maybe for the pedestrian walking by. Yeah, they're far away, so we're good. Oh wow, that's really good. Sticking to the right over here. Doesn't just get into the middle of the roundabout like a lunatic. Awesome sauce. I love this. Alright folks, I'm gonna loop around, and then we'll do another one here. Might do an illegal U-turn over here, but I didn't say that. Nobody said anything. And I'm gonna cut you off for a sec, and I'll be back. Alright, so here we are. We looped around. I'm just gonna stop on this red and then make a right. It's legal to do, so it should accelerate here, and it's gonna start creeping. Oh, a little bit weird on this. It's nudging a little bit too excessively. Alright, we should be able to go, buddy. Let's go. Okay. And then a big boost. I was like, yeah, I'm sorry about that. Okay, coming up to this roundabout. Let's see if we get any traffic. Oh, here we go. There's a car entering in. Let's see if it's going to make a left. No, it doesn't. Ah, that's too bad. Another car coming in, but doesn't also make a left. So we're good to go straight ahead. And it's just smooth sailing. Okay, let's see this next one coming up over here. Kind of confused about the lanes here, if you notice. This is not a single lane road. I can see why it's confused. As a first person, like a person coming in for a drive at the beginning, you wouldn't know this. Yeah, it's hogging the whole thing now. That's okay. Here we go. Smooth entry. No harsh brakes. No hesitancy. The steering wheel is very smooth. Cars behind me are wondering what the hell is my car doing, because I'm kind of hogging 2 lanes. It's still doing it. Oh, it's got to slow down here for this car. It does last second, eh? Interesting. Okay, we're coming up over here to this right turn, and then I'm hoping it's going to choose the right lane, because if it takes the right lane, it's going to exit you out, and we want to go over the bridge where we have 2 more roundabouts, and across to the other neighborhood where we got 3 more, I think 2 more roundabouts, and then we'll end it there. So here we go. Oh, look at that right turn. Even a right turn into a street is now, well, yeah, it should signal actually over here, but doesn't think it's a 3 lane over here. The lanes are not painted well. Well, it's kind of after winter, so you kind of, okay, so it's choosing this left lane over here, going straight over to Cranston. A little bit of a harsh brake. We've got a car right next to us, and you can see it on the visual here. And I'm getting a little bit scared, I mean, just because version 11 would freak the hell out. Ooh, it's a little bit too slow, but it's not too bad actually. Interesting. Very nice. Wow. Yeah, it's just doing its own thing. You know, it doesn't want to... No, actually, we have to be on the other lane just to make it straight. So let's see how it's going to act on this. It's going to have to slow down a little bit, and then it's going to cut across. Let's see if it does that. Ooh, it does. It doesn't. It doesn't do it. It changes lanes. What is it going to do now? Don't go off from here. Okay, it's going to go around in a circle. It's going to loop back. It's gonna try it again. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so that was the hard one, because if you guys notice, and if you know my videos from before, you gotta be on the right lane over there to take that exit, and you gotta cross 1 lane inside the roundabout. So let's see how it does it again. That was funny. It's like, oh, I think I missed the exit. I'm gonna loop around. Just imagining it saying that. Going slow here, 24. And you know what? Like, it's doing so well. Like, I really like the way it's driving. It's just so smooth. Okay, let's see if it's gonna do the same mistake again. Now it's gonna pick the right lane over here, if you guys remember. It's not gonna do it, eh? Yeah. There you go. We've got a mistake here. We've got an issue where we have to teach it to do this. I'm gonna give it another benefit of the doubt. Oh, come on, you could cross. Ah, it doesn't. And we're stuck in a loop. Alright, not quite. It's there, but not quite there. So I'm gonna disengage this time, because otherwise we're gonna do this forever. Yeah, I'll loop you guys. Let's see over here if we're going to be able to do this. We've got traffic coming in on the... Ooh, and this guy stops right in the middle of the roundabout, and he's not supposed to do that. Interesting. So even drivers don't even know, like normal human beings over here don't know how to drive in a roundabout. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to force it to the next lane. And then I'm going to leave a voice note that says it has to be on this lane so that it goes straight. Let's see, alright. FSD has to be on the right lane, enabling it to go straight ahead on the roundabout. There we go. Don't change lanes now. Oh, it doesn't change. That's good. Alright, now let's see how it does this. Should be smooth sailing. That guy goes over the line, doesn't care. That's okay. We're going straight over here, and it does it. Nice. All right. Very good, very good. Unfortunately, one disengagement for our roundabout test so far. I'm assuming it's going to do really good here. And then we'll do a 3/4 round roundabout test. I'll see how that goes, and then we'll end the video there. And if you guys like this video, please hit like, and please subscribe to my channel. It'll help me a lot. And if you want to buy a Tesla, use my referral link, as you will get free FSD and I think a year-long premium connectivity as well. And a discount on your Tesla, obviously. Alright, so that pedestrian's crossing. Now we can go straight ahead. It does get a little bit wonky on this roundabout, so let's see how it does. Yeah, version 11 used to cross lanes over here, but we should be fine. Yep. Very smooth. Very good. And we're probably going to enter here on the left. Maybe I'll actually, I'm going to disengage. I don't want to park anywhere there. I'll just loop around very quick, and then we'll go on our way back, and we'll do the 3/4 roundabout. Alright, so we're going on a left turn over here. It does creep a little bit forward to check for visibility. Nobody's there. A little bit jerky. It does have a little bit of jerkiness. And then off we go here. We're going straight ahead, but it has to yield for any traffic, so it does for this car. Then we should be going left. So yes, it crosses through the lane here. All very nicely done. Awesome. Very good. I'm very happy with this. Alrighty. Oh, it does want to change lanes here. That's okay. Both lanes go left. Alright, so I'm gonna have to edit my trip maybe after these two roundabouts and for a 3/4 roundabout. It's gonna stop here for traffic. There's a truck coming up here on the left, so it's gonna have to stop for it, and it does. Awesome. So smooth. Enters the roundabout, picks the right lane, no hesitation at all, just cautious driving. And to be honest, you gotta do 20 around here to go around on your lane, otherwise you're encroaching on the other lanes. Very nice. This is amazing. It does want to change lanes here, last second though. Let's see if it's going to be able to make it straight ahead. I think it can. I'll be fine. There we go. You're good to go, FSD. Alright, awesome. What I'm going to do now is... Actually, I might just do this. And then add. Then edit. Remove this one here. There we go. Alright, that fixes it. That way we can do our 3/4 roundabout test. Should come up to a complete stop here. Okay. Does go straight ahead. Oh, wow, quite the acceleration there. I still can't get over this acceleration right off an intersection, and I'm from freaking chill mode over here because of the winter weather. Okay, coming up to our roundabout over here. Does want to change lanes. No worries. I just wish it does give an indicator though. And it goes through. There is a pedestrian standing there, but really not doing much. Okay, and here gets a little bit confused. They are two lanes over here, but it's not very clear, so it does kind of drive over the whole thing. A little bit on the slow side here, 41. I would have liked it if it's going up to 50. And now we are going to do a left turn over here coming up soon. So let's see, we've got traffic coming up here. Okay, they're kind of going straight away, so no issues. It is lunchtime, like there should be much more traffic. And here we go, we've got traffic coming in over here, and it shouldn't really stop. It should continue, and it does. And it does exit over here. Woo, nice. I would have liked it if we got an indicator though. That's the only thing. Like I normally indicate when I'm exiting out from a roundabout. So yeah, just to show the intention that hey guys, I'm going out from here. So just so you know. Anyways, that was really good. One disengagement only because we were stuck at that loop. Version 11 was stuck on that for a while too. Couldn't make that exit on top of the bridge roundabout. It is a little bit of a wonky one, so I do understand it's not really something that you see normally anywhere, so it wouldn't have been in the training data, but hopefully my training data will help for that. And if you folks like this video, please hit like and please subscribe to my channel, help me a lot, and we'll see you on the next one. We've got FSD version 12 right now, so we're going to do lots of tests, and hoping to get version 3.2, which we're saying that has got a lot of improvements too. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright folks, see you in the next one. Have a nice day.